If you suffer from back or neck pain, it could be due to trigger points forming in your muscles. Introducing the Trigger Point Rocker, the world's first device that can naturally relieve back and neck pain in minutes. Simply lie on the Trigger Point Rocker and gently move around to massage your tightly contracted muscles, relieving your neck and back pain in just 5 to 10 minutes. The Trigger Point Rocker features 12 knobs that match up with the trigger points on your body. The top points relieve neck pain, the middle points relieve upper back and shoulder pain, and the bottom points relieve lower back pain. The innovative design keeps all 3 curves of your spine in proper alignment, reducing pain along your entire back and neck, while also strengthening your back to improve your posture for good. Best of all, the Trigger Point Rocker does the work of multiple products, saving you time, space, and money. No need for a foam roller, back stretcher, lacrosse ball, or massager. The Trigger Point Rocker has you covered. The Trigger Point Rocker was created by Dr. Aaron Fu, doctor of physical therapy, who has spent years helping people relieve their neck pain. The device was an instant success. During their crowdfunding campaigns, more than 28,000 people donated over $1.5 million to help bring it to life.
Oh my gosh, that feels so good.
I am shocked at how quickly it was able to release those areas of buildup and tightness for me.
All you have to do is lie down on it.
It improves your posture over time. Yes.
It relieves pain within minutes.
I know I don't have to deal with back pain anymore as long as I have this.
The Trigger Point Rocker blew up overnight and is now recommended by osteopaths, physical therapists, and other medical professionals around the world for neck or back pain relief. Don't waste thousands of dollars on physical therapy when a simple device can give you the same result. Enjoy natural back and neck pain relief with the Trigger Point Rocker today.